So it starts to look like a bird's nest. And then I'm gonna make some of these and I'm gonna glue those on as the little birds in the nest.
So the art cabinet. Open it up. Everything you need is in here. All the different pieces. Cut the beak. There's scissors. There's glue. There's googly eyes. Yeah.
I feel like I'm a real bird looking for things to make my nest with.
There you go.
A bird nest project, and one of the things that you can do so that you can hang it is to thread this grass through, and I just tie it up at the top, and we'll probably do a few, make a few and set them in there. But for people that can do it themselves, I just do a double knot.
Ta-da!
And then you can hang it.
And you can hang it. I gotta back up.
That it can serve as like the example of what you might do. Open those up a little more.
So you're putting glue on yours, and then what are you gonna do?
Taking this and
I like that technique of putting the glue down first and then pressing the nature items into it instead of putting it on the item. I think you're going to have a lot more success that way.
I like my lower one first too.
Alright, so let's see.
Too.
I put like kind of one
top.
layer of glue down. It's definitely going to be one of those crafts that you need to let it dry like in the car.
Oh yeah, stick it up by the windshield or something.
Yeah, because it's not going to dry while you're here. And getting that kind of, the first layer was pretty easy, but then they were kind of all going.
You might need the first layer to dry a little bit and then add some.
Yeah, or make sure that first layer has the crisscrosses and things. That one might not be our shining example, but this one is definitely going to be.
Dax is up to something here.
My finger kind of hurts.
Did you accidentally clip your finger?
Yeah, this one.
Oh dear.
Only this one.
Okay.
Are you gonna be okay?
Can I
Down.
put these
I'm
on
available.
too to make it look fluffy?
Yeah, if you want.
And we'll want to let Mary know.
Maybe a.
Yeah.
Through macaroni.
Exactly, and I was just going to send her one of these pictures. We're going to wait a sec with the big ones because we have a different idea for those.
Many hands working together.
Lila, what are you doing with the leaves?
And patching up gluey areas.
Oh, so the leaves let you cover the spots that the grass didn't stick to.
Yeah.
Well, that's
I really
smart.
like this.
I like this problem solving. This is the actual Make-A-Beak
This is
video.
the actual Make-A-Beak. Okay.
You should have an outtakes.
Yeah. You want a square, approximately. You really want to try to hold onto your paper because there's a little bit of a breeze.
Always.
So I fold it in half. This is going to be the back of the beak. So I want the point to be there. Just going to put the discards in there.
Look,
And then another angle.
I think I almost took
So if you cut a square
Got
and
a
then
little.
I took off the
there you
stem
go.
completely.
Ta-da!
I took off the stem completely.
So you could
Did
cut
it
a
hold
square and
together
fold it
okay?
on the diagonal to make a triangle.
Yes, you could.
Just like
Okay.
I wanted it to.
And then I'm gonna put some glue on.
That's mine.
Oh, my little chick isn't totally glued in yet. All right, there's my chick. And there is, there's my chick's little chicky mouth. I'm wondering if I can kind of get it in there. Oh,
feed it.
that. Oh my God, it's so cute.
This is really coming out.
I love you. I love you. I want to give you a friend.
You need a googly eye.
All right. And then I just need and it's going to have a little friend.
Oh, and you're planning for yours to hang on a wall, so it just needs one eye on each side.
Yeah,
There we go.
we'll hang that on the front door.
They might need a 2nd
I'll
eye.
hang it on the storage cabinet so people can see one that we made.
Yay! I love it. That's actually ridiculously cute.
It turned out great, didn't it?
Totally. Yeah, I think we just need to rub that down. Probably just... Maybe. That didn't do it. Now it's coated in.
Just gotta rub it in. It's good for the skin.
Yeah, exactly. It's like a milk bath.
So
It's
I
white,
will
right?
show them that you take the items,
Mm-hmm.
you just put them back where you found them. Where's the glue?
And there's the alleged ending. But I think if things head different directions, we can just call that creative fun.